24/7 Teachers Training, a lesson-by-lesson tutorial for homogeneous teaching. We are an EdTech textbook publishers.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My and your. Respected teacher, Assalamu alaikum. A warm welcome from Snowman Publishers. This informative video focuses on English language skills so that the students get maximum exposure, which will help them to become proficient learners in future. Say Assalamu alaikum or good morning to the students. Encourage them to greet you back. Let's start the lesson. Learning objectives. Students should be able to use my and your in sentences, differentiate between my and your. Recall. Students now understand simple sentences. Say some sentences. Tell them to give the answers where needed. Is it your pencil? Where is my bag? Please sit on your chair. Where is your sister? Have you completed your classwork? These are my rulers. Introduction. Ask the students to look at you and then say, pointing to your handbag, "This is my bag. It belongs to me. It is mine." Now point to a student's bag and say, "It is your bag. It belongs to you. It is yours." Give some more examples in the same way. Write some sentences using my and your on the board. For example, this is my chair. That is your chair. This is my pen. This is your pencil. Read. Read the sentences written on the board. Ask the students to read the sentences from the board one by one. Recognition. Ask some questions and encourage the students to give answers. For example, teacher, is this your bag? Student, yes, this is my bag. Teacher, is this your book? Student, no, it is not my book. Teacher, are these your copies? Student, yes, these are my copies. Review. Encourage the students to role play in front of the class and ask the same questions as above. Writing. Reinforcement worksheet can be downloaded from the following website: www.snowmanpublishers.com.